The recipe is available in different languages of the world. Turn on the caption, CC, and select your desired language. Welcome to my channel. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get the updates of my latest recipes. Chicken marination preparation. 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. 1/4 cup almond paste. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. 1 tablespoon garam masala powder, recipe in the description box. 2 teaspoons red chili powder. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. 2 teaspoons coriander powder. 1/4 cup chopped mint. 1/4 cup chopped coriander. 9 chopped green chilies. 1 cup fried onion, recipe in the description box. 1 cup curd, recipe in the description box. Half a tablespoon salt. 1 kilogram chicken. Mix everything nicely. Marinate for 2 hours. Heat the vessel. Add 3 tablespoons oil. 2 tablespoons clarified butter. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. 2 bay leaves. Fry for a few seconds. Now add the marinated chicken. Add generous pinch of saffron soaked in 2 tablespoons warm milk. 200 milliliters coconut milk. Sauté on high flame for 5 minutes. Cover and cook on medium flame for 15 minutes. 15 minutes later. Add few slit chilies. Cook for few seconds. Chicken Hyderabadi korma is ready. Garnish with fresh coriander and fried onion. Serve with naan, paratha and bread. Enjoy your meal. Ingredients are available in the description box. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.